Someone run and get that girl and tell her I said please.
Dude, that was awesome.
Yeah, where the car literally stops, so I stop it. And whoa. So I think it sounded good. Like, do you feel, was there anything in it we needed to check on, or?
I think there might be, let me start crossovers.
Okay. I've heard he's headed to West Palm. Bought him a brand new guitar.
So this past week, I filmed 2 music videos for my buddy Caleb. Artist name is Aurmele. And you'll be able to see those videos this week if you go to his channel. I'll put a link in the description. And in this video, I wanted to give you a behind the scenes look of how we filmed those videos.
And I've heard he's headed to Dallas to try out that old singing thing.
The first song we made a video for is called All My Love, and this one had a storyline. But we ran into a problem early on. See, we were gonna shoot this entire video at a friend's house who graciously let us go there to film, but we couldn't get in the house. So Caleb's like calling his friend, he's like, hey, we can't get in. And after like 30, 45 minutes trying to figure out how we could get in, it was getting dark outside, so we're like, hey, you know what? They have a nice backyard, we'll just film out there, we'll throw some lights together, and that's what we did. Caleb and I have been setting up out here for the past 30 minutes or so, trying to rig all kinds of lights, because we couldn't get in the house, but guess what? We just got in the house! So the good news was we got in the house. The bad news was we had to take our whole setup that was outside and move it inside. So after a couple hours, we were finally able to start shooting. And the plan was Caleb gets home and he starts playing this song, and we just filmed it in kind of a steady shot around the house. But then we started thinking, we spent so much time trying to make the outside look nice for filming that we might as well use it for the video. So there's this transition point in the video where you see him inside the house and he moves outside and it turns to this really cool blue color. And he plays like the ending of the song out there. And then we had a really good idea. This nice house had a pool. Now this could have turned out really good or really bad. That's up for you to be the judge. Go watch the video. But we thought, hey, why not end the video with you falling back into the pool? So we had to get like every shot done before we did this scene because he was gonna be wet for the remainder of the video. And we didn't plan on this, so he didn't bring any extra clothes. He falls into the pool, boom, that's our first video.
Bring back oh, my love.
That pool's not heated.
No.
It's a really cold pool.
I think we crushed it.
Dude, I'm pumped.
Music video number 1 in the books, well, at least the filming. So we wrapped up at like 1:15 a.m. and then we headed home.
And I got home, so you won't believe this, but I ran out of gas. I was so tired on the highway.
No.
And I had to walk to Sheetz, fill up a gas can, walk back to my car, fill up my truck. So my truck, not my car. And then drove home. So I got home at like 2, woke up at 5, went to work.
Clutch. The next video is Caleb singing his song in a recording studio.
I will not let you go. Well, I think I've seen it all now.
And this song we worked on was actually my favorite song the first time I heard Caleb play live. It's like a catchy, upbeat, folksy song. And once we wrapped that up, I had to jump into editing. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you drop a comment, subscribe, like the video, and hit that bell icon if you want to get notifications when I upload more videos like this. Also, if you want to go show my buddy some love, you can go check out his channel below. I will link it. Catch you guys in the next one.